Can you see yourself in the 2012 Jeep Wrangler? With less than 110,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Designed to reflect your unique spirit, the Wrangler brings solid power, efficiency, safety, and rugged innovation to all your adventures. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, four-wheel drive, satellite radio, fog lamps, V6 cylinder engine, heated mirrors, alarm, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels. Capable of going anywhere and always authentically you. Drive the Wrangler.